Question 1. 25 kilometer convert to centimeter. First, 25 times 10 to power of 3 over 10 to power of negative 2 equal to 25 times 10 power 10 equal to 25 times 10 to the power of 3 times 10 to the power of 2 equal to 25 times 10 to the power of 5 centimeter. So this is the final answer. The 5 Newton of x component is 5 sine 25 degree because the error is to the right. And for the y component is 5 cos 25 degree because the error is upward. Okay, for the 4 Newton of x component is 4 cos 30 degree because the error is to the right. And the y component is negative 4 sine 30 degree because the error is downward like this. Okay, for the 3 Newton of x component is negative 3 sine 50 degree because the error is downward. And for the y component of 3 Newton is negative 3 cos 50 degree because the error is to the left. So that's why negative. Okay, so the total of x component is 3.279, and for the y component, the total of y component is 0.608. Next, we need to find the resultant. So the formula of resultant is the total of x component square plus the total of y component square, and then square root. So the total of x component is 3.279 square plus the total of y component 0.608 square. So and then we square root. So the total is 3.33 Newton. Okay, next we need to find tan theta. Tan theta is y direction. We need to find direction. So the direction is tan theta equal to the total of y component
y component over x component. So y component is 0.608 over x component 3.279. Okay, shift time. So the answer of y over x is 0.1854. So the answer is 10.50 degree.
Need the distance, we need to find the area under the graph. So first we need to calculate the area under the graph for A, which is 1 over 2 times 2 times 3 plus the area under the graph for B, which is 2 times 3 plus the area under the graph for C, 1 over 2 times 3 times 3 plus the area for the D, 2 times 2 times 2 plus 2 times 1. And the answer that we will get is 17.5 meters. To find the displacement, we need to find the area under the graph. So for the displacement for A is 1 over 2 times 2 times 3 plus the displacement of B, 2 times 3 plus the displacement of C, 1 over 2 times 3 times 3 plus the displacement of D, 1 over 2 times 2 times minus 2 plus the displacement of E, negative 2 times 1. Then we will get 3 plus 6 plus 4.5 minus 2 minus 2. And the answer is 9.5 meters. The object's position for 2 seconds is 1 over 2 times 2 times 3 plus 2. And the answer that we will get is 5 meters. For the 4 seconds, we will get 2 times 3 plus 5. And the answer is 11 meters. For the 7 seconds, is 1 over 2 times 3 times 3 plus 11. And the answer that we will get is 15.5 meters. While the answer for the 10 seconds is 1 over 2 times 5 times 3. Oh shit, sorry. Salah lah. For 10 seconds, 1 over 2 times negative 2 times 2 plus 15.5, and we will get 11.5 meters. To find the gradients first for each second. For 1 second, A equals to 3 over 2, and the answer we will get is 1.5 meters second. Negative 2. For 3 seconds, the acceleration is 0. For 6 seconds, for 3 seconds, the acceleration is 0. It is because the object is at the rest. For 6 seconds,
the acceleration is 0 minus 3 divided by 7 minus 4. And the answer that we will get is minus 1 meter second minus 2.
Is sketch acceleration against time. We can sketch based on the answer of this acceleration. Let's sketch. So acceleration ms negative 2.
Of 2 seconds is 1.5 meter second negative 2. Then the object is rest, which means the acceleration is 0 until 4 seconds. Then the acceleration is negative 1 until 9 seconds. Then back to the rest until 10 seconds.
An object with mass 2 kg and velocity 10 ms negative 1. It moves in horizontal surface. Find the velocity of 7s. So we need to find the impulse. The impulse we find with the area of the graph. Okay, so area of the graph this 1 over 2 times 1 times c, and area of the graph this 2 times c, and area of the graph this 1 over 2 times 2 times c, and the area of the graph this 1 over 2 times 1 times negative 2, and area of the graph this 1 over 2 times 1 times negative 2. So we need to total 3 plus negative 1 plus negative 1 plus 12 plus 6. So the final answer is 19 ns. So we need to find the velocity of at the 7 second. So the formula is changes of impulse is m times v minus u. V is the final velocity, and u is the initial velocity over t. T is time. So the impulse is 19. So 19 equal to 2 times v. We need to find the v, minus 10 over 7. So 19 times 7 is 133. The formula of tangent impulse is m times v minus u. V is the final velocity, u is the initial velocity. So we need to find velocity at 7 seconds. So the impulse is 19 equal to 2 m is 2 times v minus 10. So 19 over 2 equal to v minus 10. V equal to 19 over 2 plus 10. So the final answer is 19.5 ms negative 1. Then we need to find the acceleration. The formula is Fs equal to ma, which is Fs is t plus f minus fg minus w sine 45 equal to ma. Next, t is 49.05, and then force is
34.19,
friction is
69.37 times 0.2.
minus W is 9.81 times 10 sine 45 equal to 10A. Next, 62.43 equal to 10A. Okay, then the acceleration is 6.24 ms to the power of -2. N is upwards and W is downwards. Force is to the right. Tension also to the right. Friction and force is opposite, so friction is to the left. For the mass 2, tension is upwards and weight is downwards. Equal to 0, which is T minus W equal to 0. T same with weight. Weight is classified as mg, which is m is 5, and G is 9.81,
as it is a gravity. So
the total is
49.05. Okay, then
we need to find Fy, so Fy is equal to 0,
which is Fy is N minus Wy. So as we need to find the N, we bring the Wy to the right side. So it's gonna be N equals to Wy. N equals to Wy is W, and take the Y is a cos theta.
so N equal to mg cos theta, because W is mg. So N equal to M is 10, G is 9.81, cos theta is cos 45. So the total is 69.37 Newton. We need to find Fs. So Fs equal to 0, which is Fs is F plus T minus friction minus Ws equal to 0. Then we need to
Find the force. So F equals to
friction plus Ws minus T. Friction is kinetic inertia equal to kinetic final, which is kinetic initial is mu g equal to kinetic final is 1/2 mv square. So we need to find potential energy, which is potential energy is mgh. So mass is 2, G mass is 2 plus 2 times 16.25. So the total is 32.5 joule. Okay, then we need to find then we need to change the unit. So we need to find we need to change the unit to kgms -2. So 2 equal to 9.81 times x. So the answer of x is 0.2 kilogram. Okay, then we need to find velocity. So velocity, okay, 32.5 is potential energy, equal to 1/2 times 10.2 times v squared. So v squared is 325 and the velocity is 18.03 ms-1. Lastly, we need to find work. The work is F times S. So work is 2 cos theta times 7. So the answer is 14 joule.